Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to send money from Wise to bKash. This process is quite simple. We're going to focus here on opening our Wise account. Here we see that we have Wise, and what we're going to do is pretty straightforward. We're going to click this button that says send. We'll click here so we can send money. Just click there. And when we click there, it's going to ask us who we're sending the money to. If we already have a contact added in Wise, we can directly select them and send the money to that person. So what we're going to do here is add a new contact, okay? And here we're going to choose the currency, which in this case would be the appropriate one. And well, here we're going to pick the currency of a specific country. And here, what we're going to do is that we're going to actually add the new contact information. So what we're going to do is simply add who our contact is. In this case, let's say it's someone else. And here we're going to add the bank details. It will prompt us to enter the bank details. However, here we see that we have the bKash option. This is the option we're interested in. We're going to choose this option. And here we're going to enter the person's name and phone number and then confirm to send. And that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.